Hello everyone, good evening. Hope you're doing well. I am doing well as well. Today I thought of sharing my testing center of excellence experience. In 2009, um, I joined for a project, Facets application implementation in Care First Blue Cross Blue Shield in Maryland. Um, 30 plus team members, we joined for that project in the same time. Um, it's divided into kind of data validation engineers, um, UI automation engineers, performance testing automation engineers, defect management, tool management team members, like that. Multiple teams are divided. First time I have saw and experienced a testing center of excellence. The process followed, the metrics followed. Every week the team members provided metrics in a similar way. The process followed in a similar way. Test strategy document is prepared and provided to all the different team members. The test plan is prepared by the individual team members, and the test scripts were automated and validated. Myself, I have performed the data warehouse performance test engineer, meaning 9 months heavy complex SQL queries I have wrote, and I performed the validation. So at the time, got a very good knowledge in writing complex SQL queries. um, so now in the we can see a testing field is a kind of not we are not spending dollars specific to testing team. Right now it's more of like workflow automation. We are kind of business workflows automations. We are automating using agentic AI workflows, kind of like automation anywhere, UI path automation anywhere. Like that, we are using the tools to automate the business workflows. More of traditional QA team members hiring, validation, that is like slowly, gradually, very reduced, and it's minimal now. So when I say the testing team members we are not hiring, the it is reduced, meaning are we not performing any validation when we build the product? Definitely we are performing the validation, but the engineers, the lead engineers or senior engineers, engineers whoever is developing itself, they are performing the validation by using any of the automation framework developed by the team itself. So we are using that particular automation framework for the regression test suites, and performing kind of manual validation, the engineers itself they are performing. Is it the types of testing are we not doing in the product development? We are doing. Unit testing still exist, functional testing exist, integration testing exist, automation exist, data validation exist. So when comparing to traditional QA team and now, the things, lot of shift happen. The focus is more towards kind of workflow automation. Even we are spending money on the business workflow automation, we are spending money for that. So the when we develop a product, and in product, as a part of the product center of excellence also, we follow the process. Different type of roles in product management also. There are senior product owners, group product managers, senior product managers, principal product manager, director, senior director of product, VP of the product, CPO, chief product officer of the product. So there are multiple roles exist in product center of excellence. The process we followed across similar like testing center of excellence. The tools what we use is a common in product center of excellence. The metrics is based on the product we deliver. So I am experiencing a product center of excellence in my career now, and few years back, I was the testing department manager and test architect. I did implemented API automation, and I have used Karate framework to validate a kind of like APIs and applications using a robot framework. So I implemented all those things. So these are my experiences. I thought of um, sharing with you guys about the testing center of excellence and experience about product center of excellence. Thank you for listening. Hope this helps. Keep learning. Education is part. Time is precious. Thank you. Bye. Take care.